Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here and going to test drive a Honda CR-V hybrid, and I'm thinking to actually switch to SUV cars and see how it goes. So here is the car.
See you in a few.
Thank you. Yeah. So here is the car. Let's show you guys walk around with it. This is touring trim. And we'll see how it goes. I'm planning to switch to SUV from my car. I'm actually kind of tired of sitting low. So let's see how it goes. This is the combined number of mpg, 38 mpg, 40 city, 35 highway. So that's the combined. And the touring trim is $38,626.25. So all that accessories and stuff is here in the sticker. So this is how the car looks from inside. Pretty familiar with a lot of people. I like this big wood accent inside. A lot of room. Let's see in the rear. Nice design, door, and a lot of space, leg space here. So without any further ado, let's drive it and see how the car handles the hybrid. So this is audio meter right now, 0 to 2 miles on it. So I'm gonna be the first one who's gonna put some miles on this car. So let's see. I have to adjust my tripod in this car. Hopefully I don't hit anything and not drop. So for some reason the floor is not balanced. A little bit higher from close from the seat is a little bit higher. So anyways, let's see how it goes. I do have experience with the Accord hybrid, as some of you guys already know, and this car will represent wireless charger and the display. I don't really like the display of it. It's very small, like this older 2016 Civic has. So small. It looks like 7-inch display in touring model, which does not make any sense for Honda, especially for the touring model. They should have put at least 9 or 10-inch display. Accord has 8-inch display. So since I'm sitting in higher car, it still feels like I'm sitting pretty low. I'm gonna try to increase the height of the seat. So this camera is going to be pretty shaky here. So I'm not gonna go highway right now. I'm just gonna go here. I guess I have to grab the camera to make it steady, because this might drop. Alright. So yeah, it is pretty torquey. Similar feel like an Accord. Yeah, it's pretty similar feel, a little bit stiffer than the Accord. I must say that. It's a little bit stiffer than the Accord. But I don't feel like too tall, like too high on this car still, even though I'm driving an SUV. But overall, it feels okay. So the next target is going to be comparing this with the RAV4 hybrid. So I'm gonna test drive that if they allow me or if they have it, and then we'll go and see how it goes with the dealer, how we can adjust the prices and all that. So yeah, it's pretty good. not too slow, and the engine is feel a little bit more smoother than the Accord Hybrid. For some reason, maybe it's the sound deadening is better in this car. Overall nice. The battery I see is more than half. So here is the road is closing. So I'm gonna take U-turn here. I think a lot of people drive until this far and take a U-turn. Alright, let's stop it here for a second and just test the audio. Alright, the audio is not bad. Touring trim, and I don't see any Bose audio logo, which they're supposed to have it. For some reason they don't. So yeah, so let's see guys how it goes. Alright, takeoff was okay. I did take off, try to put the foot down, but and I did feel the car pulled after like 25 miles per hour. It pulled a little bit harder than before, like when I take it off. When I take it off, that's funny. Steering column, like steering looks like I'm driving a Civic steering. I don't know why they put these shiny plastic button on the steering wheel. Display, dash display is okay. I think they put this display similar to the Accord, but it's not that big. But I do like the digital display because it's a digital audio meter, so which I prefer the most. But I have to decide between RAV4 and this car. So I'm not happy with the display, first of all, and other than that, I don't see any issue having this car. It still feel like a lower car on the ground. And yeah, let's park here, and I'm gonna give you guys walk around again one more time. This is open parking here. That's good spot. Alright, let's park it like that. So let me remove my camera from tripod and show you guys in my hand. So this is how it is. You see the display is just too small, and these are touch buttons. Like, come on, this is 2022 model and we still have a same Civic like display here. Look at the map, really bad map honestly. For the touring trim, they did not upgrade that as well. Let's go back to menu and see some of the. This is basically its menu. Look at this, how slow it is. Check this. The Accord system, at least the Accord display is much better than this. However, this is well integrated with the dashboard, so it looks nicer. The Accord is a little bit taller, but it still works fine, perfectly. I do like this shifter with the buttons instead of the other shifter, which the Accord has a similar, but the RAV4 has a different one. I'll show you that as well. So this is how the car looks from inside. I don't know what functionality we have. We do have a moonroof. Let's get out of the car and show you once more. The door has solid feel, similar to a Accord. I think they are good 19-inch wheel, I guess. So check this out. We do have fog lights there, which is good, and I do see some changes in the headlights. We have a Honda sensing on the front. Nice, really looks nice. I do like the wheel style, very nice. Good brakes and rotors. So yeah, so guys, I will, I guess, finish this video right here. I'm gonna turn them the car. It does feel pretty solid. I did not drive much, but I do have experience with it because they give me gas CRV before, and it was 1.5 turbo. I drove that when they had to fix something in my Accord. So I drove that. I have a little bit similar experience. So pretty much same. But let's see how it goes with the price and how they're gonna put the price for me. Like for how much they're gonna buy my car, and see how it goes. I'm not gonna go for towing trim. I'm gonna wait for EX. That's all my budget I can do right now. As you can see, this is 2 liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive. Maybe I can pop up the hood and show you guys the engine as well, which I should have done it earlier. So this is how it looks inside. That battery thing is open already. Pretty clean. A lot of space inside, but you probably cannot modify the hybrids. Nobody's modifying the hybrids yet. Maybe some will do, crazy people. That would be nice, but let's see. So yeah guys, that's all. You have a turn signal as well with the towing trim. So I'll see you guys with the other video, and I will review the RAV4 hybrid, and you guys decide which one is better. You do have a tray here for your glasses, do have garage opener, do have a sun moonroof opener there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.